Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Tonight's episode of the giant Trevally build, we'll be starting to shape the fish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a couple of templates out of masonite just to help us get the shape right as we're going along. I haven't got a feel for it, so I need something to help me out there. What we're going to use is some offcuts as well as the top and bottom ends of the box that we made for the mold, polyurethane mold. Alright, so now that the second layer of foam is fairly dry, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to cut it off a bit and shape it a little bit, just get this excess out of here, and then we're going to try and get it out of the mold. And there we have it, our fish mold. I think the front end came out fairly well. Back end's going to be a bit of a fight, but I think we might just make it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these off as well. I think the next step would be to actually mount it on our episode 1 mount and see what we can make of it. Now we have our molds ready to start carving. Alright, gentlemen, what I did was I cut the shapes out of masonite, both the actual shape of the fish as well as the, how can we call it? What shall we call it? This is basically the outline from the top view, and this is basically the outline from the side view. So I make sort of stencils for it. Go, no-go gauge, whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one on here. Something like that. Just make sure everything's tight. And it looks like we will just be making it. I think this one is actually not 100%. So we might need to fill in a little bit on the top. So what I'm going to do now is just get my marker. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sort of mark out the rough shape of where we need to cut it. So I'm going to try something. I'm going to put a very coarse flap disc on my little angle grinder and see if I can shape it with that. Okay, gents, so I patched up the just some of the holes a little bit, so I'm just going to quickly run them over and get them all flattened out, and then we'll take it again from there. Alright gentlemen, I think this is about as far as we're going to go for this episode. It's ideal to stop this one. I've got the shaping about 99% done. There's a little bit of here and there that we'll pick up as we go along. The polyurethane foam actually shapes very easy. I think I've got about 4 hours into this video of really shaping, and a lot of that was with the Ross by hand. I just feel I've got a better feel for it. There's still a little bit here and there that I want to take out and see how we can get to, but I had to clean the shop first because I couldn't breathe anymore. With that, check out the next video. The next video we'll be starting to fit the fins into it and take it from there. So if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay safe.